Are you grappling with financial challenges despite your best efforts? You might be wondering how affluent individuals navigate the path to wealth. The journey to financial success is anything but smooth. It's fraught with obstacles and uncertainties. However, with the right mindset and approach, this journey can be exhilarating. It's essential to acknowledge that achieving significant success requires overcoming various hurdles along the way. Here's a deeper dive into 5 pointers to avoid if you aspire to achieve financial prosperity. 1. Negative mindset. A negative mindset can be likened to wearing tinted glasses that filter out opportunities and solutions, leaving only a bleak landscape of obstacles and challenges. When individuals constantly perceive the glass as half empty, they may find themselves paralyzed by self-doubt and fear of failure. This pessimistic outlook not only erodes confidence but also hinders proactive problem-solving, making it difficult to navigate the complexities of achieving financial success. To combat a negative mindset, individuals must embark on a journey of self-discovery and cognitive reframing. This process involves consciously challenging negative thought patterns and replacing them with affirmations and constructive beliefs. By cultivating mindfulness and self-awareness, individuals can begin to recognize the inherent potential within themselves and their circumstances. Instead of viewing setbacks as insurmountable barriers, they can reframe them as valuable learning experiences that contribute to personal growth and resilience. Surrounding oneself with a supportive network of individuals who uplift and encourage personal development is also essential in fostering a positive mindset. Through mentorship, coaching, and peer support, individuals can gain valuable insights and perspective, helping them navigate challenges with greater confidence and determination. Ultimately, adopting a positive mindset is not about denying the existence of obstacles but rather about choosing to focus on possibilities and solutions. By embracing optimism and resilience, individuals empower themselves to overcome adversity and pursue their financial goals with unwavering determination. As the saying goes, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Therefore, it is crucial to cultivate a mindset that believes in the power of possibility and the potential for success in every endeavor. 2. Blaming others. The tendency to shift blame onto external factors is a common pitfall that can derail one's journey toward financial success. When individuals attribute their failures solely to outside circumstances such as family, government, or the economy, they relinquish control over their own destinies. This pattern of externalizing responsibility perpetuates a cycle of victimhood and powerlessness, preventing individuals from taking proactive steps to improve their situations. To break free from the blame game, individuals must embrace a mindset of accountability and self-empowerment. Instead of fixating on external factors beyond their control, they can redirect their focus toward identifying areas within their sphere of influence where they can affect positive change. By taking ownership of their choices and actions, individuals reclaim agency over their lives and open themselves up to opportunities for growth and success. Moreover, shifting from a mindset of blame to one of accountability fosters a sense of resilience and adaptability in the face of adversity. Rather than viewing setbacks as insurmountable obstacles, individuals recognize them as valuable learning experiences that offer opportunities for reflection and growth. This shift in perspective enables individuals to approach challenges with a sense of agency and resourcefulness, allowing them to navigate obstacles with greater confidence and determination. Ultimately, by acknowledging their role in shaping their own destinies, individuals empower themselves to break free from the cycle of blame and chart a course toward financial success. As they take ownership of their choices and actions, they cultivate a mindset of resilience and resourcefulness that propels them forward on their journey toward achieving their goals. 3. Instant gratification. Instant gratification, the desire for immediate rewards and outcomes, often leads individuals down a path of financial instability and missed opportunities. In today's fast-paced society, where technology provides instant access to information and services, the allure of immediate gratification can be particularly tempting. However, succumbing to this mindset can hinder long-term financial growth and prosperity. Individuals who prioritize instant gratification often live beyond their means, spending impulsively without considering the consequences. This behavior can lead to a cycle of debt and financial insecurity, as individuals struggle to keep up with their spending habits. Moreover, the pursuit of quick fixes and instant results can detract from the patience and persistence required to build sustainable wealth over time. In contrast, wealthy individuals understand the value of delayed gratification and long-term investment. Rather than seeking immediate rewards, they prioritize strategic planning and disciplined saving to achieve their financial goals. By focusing on the bigger picture and delaying gratification in the short term, they position themselves for greater success and stability in the future. Furthermore, wealthy individuals recognize the importance of investing in assets that generate passive income and long-term growth. Instead of chasing after fleeting pleasures and material possessions, they prioritize investments that provide lasting value and security. By embracing a mindset of delayed gratification and prudent financial planning, they lay the foundation for enduring wealth and financial freedom. To overcome the allure of instant gratification, individuals must cultivate patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. By resisting the temptation to indulge in immediate pleasures and instead focusing on their long-term financial goals, they can build a solid foundation for lasting prosperity and security. 4. Disregard for mentorship. Disregarding mentorship can be a significant obstacle on the path to financial success. Many individuals underestimate the value of learning from those who have already achieved their desired level of success. Whether due to overconfidence or a reluctance to seek guidance, failing to leverage mentorship can impede personal and professional growth. Successful individuals understand the importance of mentorship in navigating the complexities of wealth accumulation and financial management. Mentors offer invaluable insights, wisdom, and guidance based on their own experiences and lessons learned. By learning from their successes and failures, mentees can avoid common pitfalls and accelerate their progress toward financial independence. However, some individuals fall prey to the know-it-all syndrome, believing that they can succeed solely based on their own knowledge and abilities. This attitude often stems from a lack of humility and an inflated sense of self-assurance. Without the guidance of mentors, these individuals may struggle to overcome obstacles and achieve their financial goals efficiently. Additionally, disregarding mentorship can result in missed opportunities for networking, collaboration, and personal development. Mentors can provide access to valuable resources, connections, and opportunities that would otherwise remain inaccessible. By building relationships with experienced mentors, individuals can gain a competitive edge and enhance their chances of success in the financial arena. To overcome this obstacle, individuals must recognize the value of mentorship and actively seek out mentors who align with their goals and values. By humbly acknowledging their need for guidance and learning from the experiences of others, individuals can overcome challenges more effectively and progress toward financial success with greater confidence and clarity. 5. Fear. Fear is a formidable obstacle on the journey to financial success, manifesting in various forms such as fear of failure, success, rejection, or criticism. These fears can paralyze individuals, preventing them from taking risks, pursuing opportunities, and realizing their full potential. Overcoming fear is essential for unlocking growth and achieving financial prosperity. Fear of failure is perhaps the most common barrier to success. Many individuals are afraid to take risks or pursue their goals because they fear the possibility of falling short. However, failure is an inevitable part of the learning process, and successful individuals understand that setbacks are opportunities for growth and improvement. By embracing failure as a teacher rather than a deterrent, individuals can cultivate resilience and perseverance on their path to success. Similarly, fear of success can sabotage one's efforts by creating self-imposed limitations and doubts. Some individuals fear the responsibilities, expectations, and changes that come with success, leading them to self-sabotage or settle for mediocrity. Overcoming this fear requires a shift in mindset to embrace success as a natural outcome of hard work, dedication, and self-belief. Fear of rejection and criticism can also hinder progress by stifling creativity, innovation, and self-expression. Many individuals avoid taking risks or pursuing their passions for fear of being judged or ridiculed by others. However, successful individuals understand that criticism is inevitable and use it as constructive feedback to improve and grow. To overcome fear, individuals must confront their anxieties head-on, challenge limiting beliefs, and cultivate a growth mindset. By reframing fear as an opportunity for growth, individuals can harness their inner strength, courage, and resilience to pursue their financial goals with confidence and determination. Additionally, seeking support from mentors, peers, and mental health professionals can provide valuable guidance and encouragement in overcoming fear and unlocking true potential. In conclusion, the journey to financial success is fraught with obstacles, but with determination, perseverance, and the right mindset, anyone can overcome these challenges and achieve their goals. From overcoming negative mindsets to avoiding the pitfalls of instant gratification and poor spending habits, each step toward financial success requires conscious effort and self-awareness. By identifying and addressing the factors holding them back, individuals can take control of their financial future and set themselves on the path to prosperity. Whether it's seeking mentorship, confronting fears, or breaking free from the comfort zone, every action taken toward financial empowerment brings individuals closer to their dreams. Remember, success is not reserved for the lucky few. It's attainable for anyone willing to put in the work and make the necessary adjustments to their mindset and habits. So, embrace the challenges, learn from setbacks, and keep pushing forward with unwavering determination. If you found these insights valuable and want to continue learning how to navigate the road to financial success, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join our community of like-minded individuals committed to achieving financial freedom and unlocking their true potential. Together, we can embark on this journey and create the prosperous future we deserve. Subscribe now and let's start building a brighter tomorrow, one step at a time.